I'm Karan Patel and welcome back to the channel where we make learning automobile easy. So in the previous videos we were talking about the battery testing, and today in this video I'm going to show you the third test, which is HRD test. The full form of HRD is high rate discharge test. This test is normally done to check the battery's capacity while under very heavy loads. And as you know, the battery undergoes a heavy load while the vehicle is starting. That means the starter motor draws the maximum amount of current from the battery. So let's check the battery capacity with the help of an HRD tester. So let us see how this test is done. To perform this test, you need a HRD tester and a battery which is to be tested. Now if you see here, this HRD tester consists of two wires. One is the red one, which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and another one is the black one, which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. If you look closely, there are some vents given on the tester, and inside that vents there are some carbon piles. These carbon piles draw the same amount of current as the starter motor draws from the battery. These vents are given for the cooling of the carbon pipe. Below this you can see three LEDs. One is green, another is yellow, and a red LED. All these LEDs describes how the battery is performing. If the green LED come up, then your battery is in a good condition and it can give heavy amount of current while starting the vehicle. If it comes in yellow, then your battery needs to be checked and recharged. If it comes in red, then your battery is dead and it cannot perform anymore. Below the LEDs you can see a voltmeter reading is also given, where the voltage of the battery will be displayed. Here the red button is given to actuate the tester. When you press the button, this tester will draw the same amount of current from the battery as the starter motor. So this is the HRD tester. Now before carrying on the test, you need to know some precautions which are to be taken care of. First, check all the vents that they are tightly closed. Check the battery terminals if they are clean or not. Check any kind of damage to the battery. Check if the battery is bulged out or not, and check the container that it has any cracks or not. Also, check the level of the electrolyte in the battery. Now, to perform the test, connect the red wire of the tester to the positive terminal and the black wire of the tester to the negative terminal. Just be careful that the terminals are not getting in contact with each other, or else it will create short circuiting. Now if you see in this tester, you can see the voltage of the battery, which is showing 12.26 or 29, and it's showing green LED. So that means the battery can still now perform good for the car, for your vehicle, and it can give proper amount of voltage to the starter motor to start the engine. Now let us press this button and see what reading do we get. Remember, you have to press this button for only 5 seconds and not more than that. So if you press the button, if the reading goes below 11 volts or 10.6 volts, then the battery needs to be charged. If the reading doesn't go below 11 volts, then your battery is in good condition. Remember to disconnect the cable properly. This is it from my side, guys. If you like this video and want to learn new things, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.